Listen up, because if you give me less than 10 minutes, I'm about to show you the laziest way to start a 10k per month online business in 2024. This isn't some get rich quick scheme or dropshipping that'll have you pulling your hair out trying to fulfill orders. This is about building a real, sustainable business that can generate serious cash without sacrificing your freedom. I've helped hundreds of entrepreneurs go from 0 to 5k per month, all within 180 days. And many have even gone on beyond that to earn $10, $15, $20, even $30,000 per month. And I'm going to break down the exact blueprint we use. So if you're tired of working 80-hour weeks for just peanuts, or if you're sick of your soul-sucking 9 to 5 and want to live a life of freedom on your own terms, then pay attention. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step process and plan to build a 10k per month online business. And it's the laziest but most effective way possible that you can start today. Alright, let's break down the laziest way to hit 10k a month in 2024. Step 1 is choosing a scalable and proven business model. Here's the thing, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. Don't try and be the next Apple or Google. Instead, pick a business model that's already proven to work. Because if someone else can make it work, there's no reason why you can't do the exact same. You want to focus on service-based businesses, because there's a lower barrier to entry and almost no startup cost compared to with if you started selling a product, for example. So a great example of these would be number 1, a landing page, 2, copywriting, 3, no-code automation. These business models are scalable, have high profit margins, and don't require a huge team or inventory. If you're not sure about which one to pick, watch the video that comes on the screen after this, where I break down which are the best online businesses to start in 2024, and that should help you get going. Step 2 is building a personal brand on Twitter. Now, you might be thinking, wait, isn't building a personal brand hard work and can sometimes take years to get going? Well, it's not if you do it the lazy way and focus just on the low-hanging fruits that actually get results. Twitter is one of the best platforms for personal branding, and here's why. You can grow very fast with short, valuable tweets. It's full of high value prospects ready to buy. And the best part, you can automate a lot of your content, so it doesn't even take that much time. Compare this to a platform like Instagram or TikTok. On Instagram, you're fighting an uphill battle, trying to reach prospects with thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of followers who hardly even check their messages. Or on TikTok, where sure, it's pretty easy to go viral, but the user base really isn't the best, and you'll rarely be reaching your ideal clients there. Twitter is where the money's at, and it's one of the easiest platforms to grow on if you know what to do. Step 3 is offering a high value service. The key to hitting 10k months without burning out or having nightmare clients is to offer a high value service that solves a real problem. Think about it. Would you rather have 100 clients paying you $100 or just 10 clients paying you $1,000 each? The best choice is obvious, and you need to focus on a service that leverages your existing skills, solves a painful problem for businesses, and can be systemized and taught to a team. If you're a video editor, for example, you don't want to be doing one-off projects every month. Sure, it might be good for cash flow here and there. However, if that's all you're doing, you're never going to predictably grow your business. Instead, you want to have an offer that leverages your existing skills and solves a real problem. So, back to the video editor example. A lot of online coaches struggle to get high value leads that can actually pay. So how would you go about solving that problem with your skills? Simply create videos for that business owner that brings in views that are high quality leads. You can offer more booked calls as the end result, and your video editing service as the mechanism to get them that. On top of that, you can also learn more skills like scripting to attract those viewers, and maybe even funnels to help convert their audience into booked calls. The great thing about this, you can charge more and eventually hire a team of experts that will take care of it for you. Step 4 is automating your marketing. Now, here's where the real magic happens. Set up systems to automate your marketing and predictably grow your business. Use tools like Typefully or Hypefury to schedule your tweets. Create a simple funnel that turns Twitter followers into leads while you sleep. And you can even use automations or chatbots to qualify those leads without you lifting a finger. With these in place, you're generating leads and getting sales in your sleep. Now, do keep in mind that you don't want to completely remove yourself from the process. Some things do need to be iterated in your marketing, and you're going to have to keep a close eye on that. So identify that low-hanging fruit that gets you the best leads. This could be referrals or maybe even Twitter giveaways. Once you've identified those, you can double down on them in ways like implementing a referral system with your network, or automating a Twitter giveaway every week. As you focus on things that get you the best results, you're going to make more money with less time spent in the business. Step 5 is hiring a team to do the heavy lifting. Once you're consistently hitting between 5 and 7k months, it's time to buy back your time. Hire a team to handle the day-to-day work. This might seem counterintuitive, but hear me out. You'll free up time to focus on high-level strategy and sales. Your business will become less dependent on you, and now you can scale without working more hours. The key is to hire right and create solid systems. Do this and you'll maintain high profit margins while working less. I recommend sites like onlinejobs.ph, Fiverr, and even Upwork are perfectly fine. So there you have it, the laziest way to make 10k per month in 2024. Just to recap: number 1, choose a scalable, proven model. 2, build a personal brand on Twitter. 3, offer a high value service. 4, you need to automate your marketing. And number 5 is hiring a team to scale. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to hitting 10k per month without sacrificing your time or sanity. Now, you could try and implement all of this yourself, stumbling through processes and wasting a ton of time and probably thousands of dollars. Or you could work with someone that's done this dozens of times and can help you shortcut the process in half the time needed. If you want to learn more about how I can help you build your business to 10k per month and beyond, click the link in the description and talk to me there. We've helped dozens of people scale to 10k per month and beyond within 6 months. So if you're serious about growing your business, check out that link and book a call. And most importantly, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. It'd mean a lot to me, and I appreciate your support. And you're going to learn more ways to make money online. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace.